First exercise. It targets the core, shoulders, and arms, while engaging stabilizing muscles to improve balance and strength. Start by holding a plank position with forearms on the stool. Then raise one arm at a time, alternating between sides. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps per arm, ensuring good form. This dynamic movement elevates your heart rate, aiding fat burning while building muscle and improving endurance. Second exercise. Side plank rotation of padded stool supported. Begin in a side plank position with your forearm on the padded stool and feet stacked. Extend your free arm towards the ceiling. Rotate your torso towards the floor, bringing your extended arm under your body. Reverse the motion, opening your chest and returning your arm towards the ceiling. The side plank rotation on a padded stool strengthens your core, engages obliques, and improves stability. It enhances flexibility and posture. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps per side, holding each rotation for 3 to 5 seconds for optimal results. Third exercise. Knee push-up chest pullback. Start in a knee push-up position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body towards the ground by bending your elbows. Push back up to the starting position. Once at the top, pull your arms back as if you're trying to touch your shoulder blades together. Knee push-ups with a chest pullback are great for fat loss, as they engage multiple muscle groups, boosting metabolism. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps, focusing on controlled movement. This workout helps strengthen the chest, shoulders, and arms while burning calories. Fourth exercise. Inchworm. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Hinge at the waist and place your hands on the ground in front of your feet. Walk your hands forward until you are in a plank position. Perform a push-up. Walk your feet towards your hands, keeping your legs as straight as possible. The inchworm workout is great for improving flexibility, strength, and coordination. It targets the core, shoulders, and legs. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, moving slowly and controlled to maximize benefits in mobility and stability. Fifth exercise. Bodyweight front slam. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and knees slightly bent. Raise your arms above your head while engaging your core. Bring your arms down rapidly in front of you as if you're slamming a ball down while simultaneously squatting. The bodyweight front slam is an excellent full body workout, engaging the core, shoulders, and legs. It improves explosive power, coordination, and endurance. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps, focusing on controlled movements and maximizing intensity for optimal results.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty.
Sixth exercise.
Savannah, let's all take a walk.
Groin crunch. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head for support, without pulling on your neck. Lift your shoulders off the ground, crunching towards your pelvis, while simultaneously bringing your knees together. The groin crunch workout targets the inner thighs and core, helping to tone muscles and promote fat loss. Perform 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps, ensuring proper form. This exercise improves flexibility, strengthens the groin area, and boosts overall fat-burning potential. Seventh exercise. Sit-up, stand-up. The sit-up, stand-up workout improves core strength, stability, and coordination. It engages multiple muscle groups, enhancing endurance and balance. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, gradually increasing as you build strength. Ideal for toning abs and improving posture. Eighth exercise. Sit up with chair assisted. Sit on the ground with your knees bent and feet flat, heels resting on the seat of a chair. Cross your arms over your chest or place them behind your head. Curl your upper body towards your thighs, lifting your shoulders off the ground. Lower back down to the starting position. The chair-assisted sit-up is a great way to strengthen your core, especially for beginners. It engages your abs, improves stability, and enhances overall muscle tone. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps for optimal results, gradually increasing intensity.
Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back.
Ninth exercise.
You'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track.
Jumping jack. Stand upright with your legs together and arms at your sides. Bend your knees slightly and jump into the air. As you jump, spread your legs to be about shoulder width apart. Simultaneously, raise your arms out and over your head. Jump back to the starting position, lowering your arms to your sides. Jumping jacks are a great full body workout that improves cardiovascular health, builds endurance, and enhances coordination. To perform, do 3 to 4 sets of 30 to 60 seconds, with 30 seconds rest in between. This exercise tones legs, core, and arms while boosting metabolism. Last exercise. Elevated cycling. Elevated cycling engages your core and legs, boosting fat loss by increasing calorie burn. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 30 to 60 seconds, followed by 30 to 45 seconds of rest. It improves cardiovascular fitness and tones muscles effectively.